Hey y'all, oh my gosh, you guys can see my wig head, ignore that. So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Fina FAUSTIN, and for those of you guys who are coming back, thank you for coming back, because you guys really do not have to take the time out of your day to watch me, but I really appreciate it because I am so new to this YouTube stuff and I'm learning every day. And I know a lot of my friends watch me, which I'm so thankful, but I cannot wait to have new faces and new energies and new bodies around me because I'm so excited and I'm really loving this so far. And if you guys are not following me on any of my other platforms such as Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, what are you doing? Like, go check me out because I'm telling y'all, 2023, I'm taking over. Like, y'all gonna see me everywhere in a good way. But anyways, this hair I just installed. It's super cute. Oh yeah, I really wanted to say this about myself. One video y'all might get like Fina, another video y'all might get like Fifi, and another video y'all might get like Fiona. Like, I'm a mix of everything. So like one day my accent might change, like I'm just all over the place and there's nothing I could do about it. That's just how I am. Okay, anyways, like I was saying, this hair I actually just installed, and if you're feeling it, keep watching because y'all gonna see the little journey I took to install this. And yes, I made this wig by myself. This hair is actually 2 years old. I wore it one time and never wore it again. I was looking through my wig and my hair stuff and I'm like, hold on, what hair is this? It's so old. But yeah, everything will be in the description box, all the details about it. Check out the description, there's a lot of information in there. And yeah, let's get into it. what you guys think. Like, let's get into it. It's not the best. I'm not like somebody who knows how to install wigs or whatever. I just be trying my best off of what I see on YouTube and what I see my sister do, because she is a hairstylist. But you know, I want to try things on my own just in case she's not around, and a lot of times she's not. Our schedules don't mix, so I just have to do what I had to do. I made this wig all by myself. I think I told you guys that in the first clip. But this hair is from, if I'm not mistaken, this hair is either from Nadula or Nailz. I don't remember. I think it's Nadula, because Nailz hair would not last this long. The only thing is, when I ordered the frontal was like mad short, and then since I had it sitting out for like 2 years, not 2 weeks, 2 years, and I brushed it out, it shedded a whole lot, so it got even shorter, and like the length of the frontal and the actual hair is like way off. But it's not a big deal. A little bit of water blends it right in, as you guys can tell, and the frontal is a bit lighter than the rest of the hair, but that's not something that bothers me. So if it is something that bothers you, you should really consider that. And it's not a wig, it's actually bundles. I had to make it into a wig, so yeah. And if you guys want a tutorial for this makeup, the video is coming right after this, or it should be uploaded very soon, so stay tuned for that. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share to whoever you think would enjoy this video. It means a lot to me. And bye.